first thing that will happen is you'll get this load or create configuration screen. You would go ahead and select that, and you will get a pop-up screen. This pop-up screen will allow you to either create a new configuration or select from a list of configurations. If you don't want to scroll through this whole list and find it, I can do things like use the search to narrow down what I'm looking for. In our case, we want to start a new configuration. It says that we have to be logged in as an installer. So the default operator level is operator. So if I want to get into the installer level, I have to log into that. And so I have to enter a password, which is uppercase VPX 123, and then I can log in. Once I do that, now I can create my file, my configuration file. Once I hit create, I then have to select what hardware I'm creating the system with. So you see the 200 series, you do see two 300 options. The reason for this is we had a permanent firmware change and hardware change in December of last year. So if you purchase any 300s from December of 2017 on, it will be the version 7.